In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CurseForge Minecraft Mods. First, you want to open Google Chrome, so I'm going to have it open here. And then you want to type CurseForge, not like this, Forge. You want to click at the first website here, click Get CurseForge app, click Download Standalone. Then you want to install, run the installer here, as you can see. So I'm just going to run it very quickly here. As you can see, the installer just finished running, so it should look like this once you finish the download. So here you want to click at the add a game button and click add Minecraft. So here, as you can see, it's just asking for custom. I'll just click the standard, continue, and here you want to link your Minecraft account. So once you log in here with your account, this is what you're gonna see. As you can see, the mod packs, I don't have any because I haven't downloaded any. So to download mod packs, go to browse. You're gonna see all types of mods here, so you can like see if you want to filter by shaders or walls. So let's just select keep it on mod packs and download, like for example this one. So I'm gonna download this and this and this just to show as an example. As you can see here, they are downloading. So as you can see, one of the mods here has already downloaded. So to play it, you're simply gonna click play, and it's gonna take a few moments here to open. So that's pretty easy, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.